You clean your floors, maybe even your windows. You're feeling pretty good, right? But there's a whole world of stuff hiding in places we barely think about, like your couch, your mattress, and your air ducts. Let's start with your couch. Over time, it collects dust, skin cells, pet hair, food crumbs, and whatever you brought in on your clothes. It's basically a sponge for indoor pollution. Same thing with your mattress. You sleep there every night, but it can hold on to everything from sweat to dust mites. If you've ever woken up sneezing, that might be why. Now for your ducts. If your air filter isn't doing its job, all the dust and debris floating around gets pulled into your system and settles in your ductwork. That gunk builds up and gets recirculated every time your AC kicks on. It's not about being grossed out, it's about awareness. A clean filter helps keep all that stuff from getting out of hand. Vacuum your couch cushions, wash your bedding regularly, and keep your air filter fresh so you're not breathing in what's been trapped in your vents for years. Send this video to a friend who also needs the reminder to clean those sneaky places. I'm Miranda, by the way. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back soon.